A day in a life of a financial advisor like me. So right now, katatapos ko lang mag-gym. And ang next stop natin is umuwi para ihatid si Simone. So ito na nga, hatid na natin si Simone para sa practice ng kanyang closing party. Kailan ba closing party nyo? So yun na nga, nahatid na natin si Simone sa kanyang school. So the next thing that we are going to do is mag-prepare para sa event for today, which is yung Excellence Awards. So see you later! Okay, for today's update, what we are going to do is magpapaayos tayo ng buhok para sa event na today. So, let's see. So, ayun na nga, papunta na tayo sa Marriott Hotel para ganapin yung Excellence Awards. So, an update later sa A Day in a Life of a Financial Advisor. So ito na nga, nandito na kami sa Marriott. Okay. Excellence Awards. Go!
Go!
Congratulations, Mango awardees. And now we ask all the first place expansion champions to gather on stage for a group photo opportunity. We present the awardees.